So for the next video in the bread and butter series, we're sticking with purchasing, and I'm going to show you how approvals work in regards to subcontracts. So I'm logged in again as myself, and in the last video, Emma Penny submitted a subcontract for approval. So you might not have approvals turned on, which is absolutely fine. If you don't have them turned on, then you don't need to watch this video. So from my applications drop down, then I'm going to go to purchasing, and I'm going to click on approve transactions. So the subcontract that was submitted by Emma is appearing here in my approved transactions section. And from here, I can view, approve, or decline. And if I view it, I cannot edit when I view. So from here, it can't be edited. It would have to be declined, and then I would have to go back to subcontracts and edit it from there. So from here, I can either approve it or decline it, and I'm going to approve it. It gives you the option to add in a comment, which I'm not going to do, and I'm just going to click approve. So now that that's done, if I go to my subcontracts, I can see my Barth Electric. This is the one, the subcontract 237, and it's in a state of pending. And in the next video, then I'll show you how to convert.